How you differentiate between benign tumor and a cancerous tumor or cancerous growth, and what are your differentiating lines and what are your cutoff points here you have to take care?
A very good question, because everyone feels that when they have cancer, that means it is malignant and it is the loss of life. But cancer is actually divided into two parts. One is benign cancer, as you have said, and other is malignant cancer. So when the growth, that abnormal growth is limited to that particular part of the body, and it is not showing abnormal other signs which are leading to loss of appetite, loss of any bleeding from any part of the body, or any abnormal other symptoms, then most likely it is localized abnormal growth, and that it can be cured is benign cancer. When it has already shown very massive spread in other parts of the body, and it has led to involvement of lymph nodes, involvement of other organs of the body, then it is called malignant cancer. But how do we define them scientifically? Then there is a staging of the cancer, we called stage 1, 2, 3, 4. And it all depends on many diagnostic tests which are done to finally agree to what stage of the cancer is. And usually we have seen that grade stage 3 and 4 are more malignant and deadly, but stage 1 and 2 are something that can very much be cured also.